And here it is once it is completely dry. I'm really happy with how this turned out. And it is really squishy and soft. Also a little bit slow rising as well, as you can see. Really happy with how the shape of the sunflower turned out. And then just as a little extra thing, I just painted on the words "Glory to Ukraine" in yellow and blue letters, so using my yellow and blue fabric paint. And yeah, I think it looks really good. And I absolutely love sunflowers as well, so this just makes me like it even more. I've had this idea for a few days now, and I just thought it's really important that I make something for the people in Ukraine right now. And I'm thinking of everyone in the Ukraine right now. It is just so crazy, like what is going on there right now, and I just hope everyone is remaining strong. And yeah, just really wanted to make something just to let the people, just to like show that I am thinking of everyone in the Ukraine right now. And I've seen so many of the updates on the news and it just breaks my heart, so yeah. And yep, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and as always, please feel free to request any more squishy tutorials you'd like me to do in the comments below. I'd really like some more ideas from you guys. And please click thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and also please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And also my Etsy and Instagram are linked in the description box below as always, so please go and check those out as well. I'm going to have a couple more squishies going up on my Etsy soon, so please keep your eyes peeled. And yep, so really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!